Hello, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. If it's the first time, my name is Aisha. And thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe and like and share. So I appreciate it. So today's video, I just saw the thinking I can share with you some remedy that I use for myself and my family when we have some high fever, when we have a cough. This is for winter, or even it's not winter, it's for chest and everything. This remedy is very powerful, is very nice, is working. I use this most of the time, so many years, and trust me, it is working. So first things, the first one I have to show you is for the one we use apple cider vinegar. So you need the apple cider, and you need some organic honey and warm water. So take a glass and then put 5 tablespoonful for water, and put 1 apple cider vinegar tablespoon, and then add honey tablespoon, and then mix it very well. And adult, this is a 1 dose for adult. If the children from maybe from 1 year to up, you can give like a 2 tablespoon 3 times a day. Trust me, it will help her a lot. Even you have a high fever, you have a blocked nose, you're coughing, this is a remedy I use for my children every day. Even they don't have a high fever, they don't have any blocked nose, I just make it, and then I give to them. Oh, if sometimes she wake up in the morning, she doesn't feeling very well, I give her this, and then she go to school, she's fine. No complaint, no phone call from school. Come take her, she's not feeling well. Nothing at all. Alhamdulillah, mashallah. This is very powerful, sister. Up there, or lady, or man, whatever you are, this is very good remedy for high fever or coughing and running nose, everything. Mashallah, trust me, it will help you a lot. If you start to use this, you are not going to see doctor for cough or chest or running nose, nothing at all. Trust me, I don't know when I visit a doctor for maybe my daughter, she has a chest infection or whatever. Mashallah, alhamdulillah. So trust me, try to use that, it will help you a lot. And then the next one is you need a lemon, half lemon. That one is big. If it's a small, you can do whole lemon. So you need lemon juice, and then that one you don't put water. You make it for lemon juice only with sugar. You have 1/2 lemon juice, and then add sugar. This one you need a lot of sugar. You need sugar. You need to make you need to make it like a honey. You need to make it thick. You don't want to try. You don't want to taste the. You don't want to taste the sour lemon sour. You need to make it very sweet, because we need the chemical sugar that for treatment. So you put, I just measure for you there. I think I put around 4 tablespoons. So you mix it very well, and then you drink it. You can, for children, like I said, you give a tablespoon. For you, you can have 3, or if you like to drink it all, you can drink all. That nothing wrong with it. And my children, they like this a lot. So this one, trust me, when you got cough, when you have blocked nose, high fever, this one is very, very, very good as well. You drink this, and then you'll get some relief from cough or black nose or whatever. So this is a remedy I use every day, all along the maybe the winter time. And the next one is the same one, but you need the lime. This one, I learned this remedy from my uncle. Once upon a time, I went to him, visiting him was winter, like December, so he teach me this one. So since that time, when my children they are coughing, or myself, or children they catch a cold a lot from school or whatever. So if you give her this, she'll not continue to cough. It will stop within maybe 2 days or 3 days, but she'll be fine, inshallah. So like the dose is the same, tablespoon 3 times a day, so she'll be feel fine. And this is we use every day in my family, myself, my children, my husband. We use this a lot. We don't go to see doctor for the cough or chest infection, whatever. Alhamdulillah, mashallah. For Allah's will, you will be fine. And trust me, because they have this in pharmacy, but I don't know why I never buy syrup from the pharmacy for cough. I just use this organic things like lemon with the sugar or honey, So try to do this, and then try see if it will help you. But I'm sure it will help you, so I have no doubt about it. And for maybe pregnant woman from first month, I don't recommend this, because because it's sugar is hot, and honey. So if you want to try this, just maybe you can ask your doctor first, but more other than that, everything is okay, because it's only lemon and sugar, so you'll be fine. And the last one is sea salt, like a pink salt, or sea salt, rock salt. If you have a cough, like a dry cough, you feel like somebody is blowing on your throat inside, you can't sleep, you're coughing continually, you can take some pinch of salt or rock salt, this fine one, or the rock salt, like it too, and then you put in your tongue, lick it until you finish your cough. It will reduce, and then if it's night, you will get some sleep. Trust me, and try it. It is working, alhamdulillah. I use these things every day. If sometime maybe the cough is very strong, you can take a pinch of salt, just lick it, and then it will work, it will help you. So I thought I can share this with you, the things I use, because it helped me, so I think maybe it can help someone as well. So thank you again so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share if it's your first time, and I appreciate. So stay tuned, and please press the bell icon so you won't miss any upcoming video, inshallah. Tabarakallah. So alhamdulillah, even yesterday, because this I make yesterday at night, I was feeling the same things. I feel like maybe I'll start to get ill, so I make this and then drink. Alhamdulillah, I wake up in the morning, the thing has changed. And this morning still I drink as well. So trust me, lady and gentlemen, do this in your life. It will help you a lot, mashallah. This is good remedy for it, because when you go to the pharmacy, still you can find this thing like honey and lemon. You can find maybe lemon with the honey, apple cider, because I use apple cider. Holland and Barrett, they have one already made, honey and apple cider vinegar, but I didn't buy that one. I always buy that only apple cider. I make myself at home. So that one for fever, anything, that apple cider one It's very good for high fever or fever, whatever, or you feel like a nausea. Even my son now, because he's big, he's older, so sometimes he doesn't do like I do. He just take a hot, 1 glass of hot water, put 1 tablespoon of apple cider, and then put honey like a tablespoon, and then drink it 3 times a day. And then he gets some sleep. When he wake up, he's fine. Alhamdulillah, mashallah. So thank you again. Assalamu alaikum.